Now it's time to create our project folder. So in order to create our project folder, I'm going to create it on the desktop because it's easier for me to access. So I want you to create it on the desktop because it's easy for you to access and work with. So I'm going to create a new folder here, and I'm going to name it project. You can name it, of course, whatever you want. I'm just going to name it project. And then I'm going to drag this folder and drop it on Visual Studio Code, and it will be opened in Visual Studio Code. Now, as you can see, the project has been opened in Visual Studio Code. So now the first thing that I'm going to do here is that I'm going to create our project file, the first file. So to create a file, you can click here on this new file icon and then create a file. The first file that I'm going to create, I'm going to name it index.html. And then here, in order to add the basic code of HTML, you can, in Visual Studio Code, you can just type exclamation mark and then hit enter, and this is going to add the basic skeleton of the HTML page here in this index.html. And if you couldn't do this for some reason, you can just type this code, you can type this out and make sure that this code is correct. So this is how we can create the project and the first file.